Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into PAROL6, a seriously impressive 3D-printed robotic arm. It's open source, high performance, and designed to rival industrial robots.
Wow, sounds exciting. So what makes PAROL6 stand out from other desktop robotic arms?
Well, it's not just the 3D-printed aspect, although that's pretty cool in itself. It's the whole package, the mechanical design, the control software, even the GUI. All are meticulously crafted to mimic industrial robots. Think of it as a miniature, highly accessible version of something you'd find in a factory.
I see. So it's not just a toy, it's a real tool for learning and even practical applications?
Exactly. It's perfect for educational institutions, robotics enthusiasts, even small-scale automation. The documentation is comprehensive, covering everything from basic robotics concepts to advanced software APIs. They even have a section on safety and handling, crucial for any robotic arm, no matter the size.
That's reassuring. And the open source aspect, what does that mean for users?
It means complete transparency and community involvement. All the code, building instructions, even the 3D model files, STL, are available under the GPL v3 license. You can build your own, modify it, improve it. The possibilities are endless. They have a Discord community and a forum for collaboration and support, which is fantastic.
That's a huge advantage. But, is it really as easy as it sounds to build one? I mean, 3D printing and robotics aren't exactly beginner-friendly.
That's a fair point. While the documentation aims to be comprehensive, it still requires a certain level of technical expertise. But the community aspect is key here. If you get stuck, there's a whole network of people ready to help. Plus, the fact that it's modeled after industrial robots suggests a robust and well-tested design.
Good point. So what's the current status of the project? Is it fully mature or is it still under development?
It's currently at version 1, release 1. So it's a fully functional product, but there's always room for improvement, right? That's the beauty of open source. The community can contribute to its evolution.
Absolutely. And where can our listeners find out more?
Head over to Source Robotics' website. They have all the links to the GitHub repositories, the documentation, the community forums, even their social media channels. It's all there, ready to explore. They even have a YouTube channel showcasing the robot in action. It's pretty impressive.
Sounds amazing. Thanks for sharing this with us. This is definitely a project to keep an eye on.
My pleasure. And remember, listeners, if you're interested in robotics, 3D printing, or open source projects, PAROL6 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.